Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. Plug the original charger in and wait 15 to 30 minutes so a depleted battery can show life. While charging, inspect the charger, cable, and USB-C or barrel port for bent pins, lint, or broken connectors because physical faults stop power flow. Once done, try a hard reset by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary firmware hangs. If nothing lights up, make sure the charger LED behaves normally before moving on to deeper steps. Next, rule out power source problems. Swap to a verified working charger and a different outlet so you eliminate wall or adapter issues. Remove all peripherals, SD cards, and USB devices because external hardware can block boot sequences. Then attempt a recovery boot. Press ESC plus refresh, and then power to trigger diagnostics or recovery mode. On many Chromebooks, this shows a recovery screen or hardware indicator. If recovery appears, follow on-screen prompts to refresh or restore the OS, which finish by using recovery mode to reinstall the Chrome OS or perform a power wash if you can access settings. This removes software causes of a failed boot. Check battery health metrics in settings or use the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer to create a USB recovery stick and attempt a reinstall. That repair often revives units with corrupted firmware. If the device remains unresponsive, document model and serial numbers. Describe the steps you tried, and contact school IT. That single troubleshooting tip saves time and speeds warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.